Alright, at the Bharat Mobility Expo, we have Olectra Greentech manager Mr. KV Pradeep joining us on the new technology that they have unveiled, and of course to talk about how the Orderbook is looking like. Thank you, Mr. Pradeep, for joining us at Business Today. Sir, a new technology has been unveiled. You have been talking about cutting-edge technology that you've been introducing in your buses and trucks. What is the new technology about, and how is it going to help Olectra get us more, more Orderbook?
Thank you very much. Best wishes from Olectra Greentech. And the technology that we are unveiling today is the blade battery technology, the buses that are made with blade battery technology, which is the first of its kind in India. Olectra Greentech is the first company, the only company which has this technology. The earlier batteries that are being used in the buses are prismatic cells. Buses and trucks are prismatic cells, whereas now the buses, the latest technology is blades. We get the blades and we assemble the blades and we make them as batteries. And we use those batteries for making the bus to operate. This is the new technology that's being unveiled today, number one. And number two, the other part of your question is how that makes Olectra to become strong. Olectra, the blade battery technology, as I mentioned, it is the latest technology with which it is the batteries that are being provided with this latest technology are 50%, 30% more, 30% more energy efficient, 50% less in weight, and 30% occupies less volume. It occupies 30% area less, with which what is happening? The buses that are being operated at 225 kilometers with a single charge, with these batteries, we can operate 325 kilometers. The buses which operate within the cities. The buses generally we operate between the cities, that is intercity operations. With a single charge, we can operate 700 plus kilometers. That's the advantage with the latest technology. And being the battery size is very, very small, the efficiency levels, the operational efficiency is much higher. For example, earlier we were operating a kilometer of distance with 1.3 units of power, whereas with this technology, a unit of power can make the bus to operate. So that's the advantages. These are the advantages with the latest technology.
Also, sir, let me ask you, Olectra, you've been having a strong order book. What does the order book stand at currently, and what is the future looking like for Olectra?
As of today, Olectra has got 10,000 plus buses on hand orders, 10,000 plus buses on hand orders, and we shall have to deliver these buses in coming 2.5 years, and we are expecting the same number of orders in next 2 years' time.
Also, sir, when it comes to new launches, sir, we have a bus here with the new technology that we introduced. So, do we expect new launches coming up in the coming times?
Yes, of course. Olectra is spending a lot of money in R&D, and we are going to unveil lot many models of buses in coming years.
Okay. And if I may ask you, sir, what all government orders are you looking forward to? Because I'm sure private orders are also you go for, but how are the government orders looking like? UP government and all governments are looking to revamp their state road transport corporations. So are you looking to bid for more government projects?
Yes, very good question. So government of various state governments and government of India are floating several tenders for procuring these buses. We are very seriously participating in the government orders. And as of today, if you consider all the tenders that are floated by various governments, the numbers are 10,000 pluses. The number of tenders that are there in pipeline are 10,000 plus buses. And Olectra is very keenly participating in these tenders, and we are in a mood to bag majority of these tenders.
Okay. Sir, you just mentioned about investments in R&D. How much investment is going on, and is there a plan to expand the capacity as well?
Yeah, as far as the capacities are concerned, as you know that Olectra, we have 150 acres of land for setting up a world-class manufacturing facility in Hyderabad, wherein we started the plant construction, and Partially it is completed and the operations have also been started. The capacity of the plant is, as of today, it is 5,000 and the ultimate capacity is going to be 10,000 buses per annum. So next year we would reach to the 10,000 level, and we are investing about 600 crores on the construction of this plant.
So last question, sir. If I may ask you on the outlook of the sector, the commercial vehicle space has seen a dip in the last year because of elections, heat wave, etc. How's the bus segment going, and any outlook that you're foreseeing for the bus and truck segment, sir?
Yeah, as far as the bus segment is concerned, it is very promising, and coming 2-3 years time, the bus segment would the numbers would ramp up like anything in bus segment. As far as the truck segment is concerned, we are in very initial stage. Though Olectra has got good truck products with it, we are in the initial stage, and slowly we are ramping up even to replace the fossil fuel trucks with electric.
So in the times to come, we can see that your entire fleet of ICE trucks and buses will be converted to EVs, and no ICE vehicles will be manufactured.
Very soon, the government of India's idea is going to become a truth on the roads, and very soon we are going to replace majority of the electric trucks as well as bus with majority of the ICE trucks and buses with electric mobility.
Well, thank you so much for joining us, Mr. Pradeep. That was KV Pradeep talking to Business Today TV on how the future of bus and segment is actually looking very positive. And with 10,000 plus order book, they are aggressively bidding for new government orders as well.
If you like the video, do like, comment, share and subscribe.